Good. Let me see that here. Okay, so this leg is your leverage. Yes.
Okay.
Not a lot is going to move now unless you open this hand. So if it's time to get more wraps, you're going to let this hand ride to the horn. So you pull, ride, open your hand back up, and dally.
Again?
Yep.
Okay.
Like that's under the circumstance that something's taking rope from you or you need another wrap or, right? Or lots of times what'll happen is you'll be out here and you'll have everything stopped and you'll need to turn and pull. And so what you'll do is through the turn, you'll let rope feed here, right? So it'd be turn, 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 turn. When your horse is in a powerful position with momentum moving forward, you'd close this hand, it'd ride to the horn, and then you'd get another wrap.
Okay.
Like if you're really snatching one.
Slack tight from here.
Yes, well, this is gonna be moving.
Okay.
So like as this moves, so ride it to the horn. Nope, too early. So let it go all the way to the horn. Close your hand, there. Yes. And when it gets here, you're opening that hand back up because the rope that you're actually dallying with is coming from this hand, not from here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You're never gonna be able to pull a cow to you and go the horn. And it'll teach you. It'll teach everybody that. Good. Yes. How's that feel, Casey? Good? Today's video is brought to you by 310 EDU. I've always maintained one goal as a horseman, stockman, and roper, to be as consistent as humanly possible. Woo, she heavy. My greatest training tool for achieving this has been our video content. Applying the principles we teach at 310 EDU will give you a better relationship with your horse, a deeper understanding of stockmanship and cattle behavior, and a far more versatile roping shot selection. These videos allow us to deep dive into the finer details of our craft while breaking down missed opportunities and great shots second by second. My ranch roping field guide is free with every membership, giving you an amazing tool to work on your consistency and versatility. Scan this QR code and go check out hundreds of hours of doctoring, branding, stockmanship, horsemanship, and more. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Did you get that?